This is the Iowa Weather Report for Monday, September 15th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have a disturbance moving through the western Great Lakes with this trough axis moving through. This is going to bring some showers across the state, maybe a rumble of thunder closer to the Iowa-Missouri border. We could see some clearing skies late in the day as high pressure moves in, especially in our western counties. That should boost temperatures well into the 60s there. Upper 50s to low 60s in the eastern counties where the rain will hold on a little bit longer. Then as we move into Tuesday, that high pressure moves over to about Quincy, Illinois. That's going to dry the skies out, clear the skies out, dry the air out, and sunshine around. Highs will be mainly in the lower to middle 60s across the state. Late Tuesday night into Wednesday, we could see an isolated shower or storm, mainly in our far western and southern counties. Better chances of precipitation will likely stay in Kansas and Missouri and then move off to the south and east, readings still remaining in the 60s to lower 70s. Then 70s become more apparent as we go into Thursday and Friday. High pressure over the Great Lakes. The winds turn around to the south and southeast. The Gulf starts to open up, and we could see some showers late in the day Thursday and into Friday across the western and then northern counties of the state. Better chances of precipitation here on Friday would be north of Highway 20 and up into Minnesota, Wisconsin, and up into Ontario. Another disturbance along this front comes in from the south and west here on Saturday, and this could bring some showers and thunderstorms along with it. The GFS is being a little bullish on possible heavy rain in southern and southwestern Iowa, and that'll move quickly to the east on Sunday. It's too early to determine on Saturday if we could see some severe weather. We'll have to wait and see. But Sunday will be the best of the 2 days of the weekend. High pressure moving in, sunshine, highs in the lower to middle 70s. Next Monday, the storm track is pretty much along the U.S.-Canadian border and up into Canada. We have one storm system moving through eastern Canada and New England, bringing some cooler air there. Otherwise, fairly benign weather across the south with some isolated showers or storms around. High pressure over the Great Lakes, clearing the skies out there. And pretty much seasonal weather around here, if this is to be correct. Going into the extended period, September 26th, storm track is a little closer to us. Big upper level feature over eastern Canada, especially in Quebec. Northwesterly flow screaming in from the northwest across the New England states. That's going to bring a lot of cooler weather, possibly some snow in the upper elevations of the White Mountains in New Hampshire and into Maine and into Quebec. Around here, southerly winds bringing some warmer weather around here. But then that warm weather doesn't last long. At the end of the month, September 30th, trough axis moving across the state. You can see the disturbance, that little yellow area around Duluth to Thunder Bay. And that's going to bring a cold front through to our east. High pressure coming back in. The 540 line diving into central Wisconsin. So this will bring us cooler weather, as by this point we're going to be heading toward the first part of the month of October. Satellite image from last evening, we had some low and mid-level clouds across the state. That's with the next disturbance that's going to be bringing rain for most of the state today as it moves to the east. And you can see down in the lower left portion of the screen, Adel or Adi in the southern part of Baja, and that's going to be moving north and west. But the watch warning map shows fairly benign weather. Frost advisory in North Dakota, across New England. Heat advisories across Southern California. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Friday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall around here, maybe around a quarter to a half an inch. That hurricane in the Baja is going to bring a lot of heavy rain down there, and that could also come into the desert southwest as well. We'll have to wait and see.